Hi there, I am Rony, a full stack web developer with over 6 years of hands-on experience in building powerful and scalable websites, web apps, CRMs, and SaaS platforms. My goal is simple: to turn your idea into fast, secure, and beautifully designed digital solutions that truly meet your business goal. I work with modern technologies like React.js and Vue.js on the front end and Laravel, Node.js, and Express.js on the back end, ensuring your website runs smoothly, loads quickly, and grows with your business. When you work with me, you are not just hiring a single developer, you are getting a dedicated expert team focused on delivering high quality results. We believe in long-term partnership, continuous support, and clear communication. I am always available to answer your questions and keep your project moving forward. Let's build something exceptional together. Send me a message and we will start bringing your vision to life today. Thank you.